Good morning everyone, it's Natalie here, and today I am filming a day in my life. Also, I want to say thank you so much to Pink for sponsoring today's video. I am so happy to be working with them, and they are one of my favorite companies that I have worn since middle school, so it's just like insane that I'm getting to work with them, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. So I literally just woke up like 10 minutes ago. It is right now Friday morning and it is 8 a.m. So just woke up, and you guys know immediately when I wake up I put on my gym clothes and I'm just gonna take you guys out throughout my day. I'm getting a lot of work done today, but it's also gonna be a fun day because Keon's sister is visiting me, so me and her have just been like hanging out all week and it's been so much fun. So today I kind of was like, all right, let's have today be our work day. Like the rest of the week was really fun, but today's gonna be our work day. But like, of course, when you still have a guest, you still want to entertain, so it's gonna be really fun. But I'm also kind of like getting my life together since I was hanging out with her all week and like not doing anything. So I don't have my shoes on yet, but you guys know I'm gonna be wearing my gray Nikes. Like I literally don't own anything else. So I am wearing the sports bra and leggings, and these are both from Pink. Also, these leggings are from Pink, and I think they're so cool. They're these like blue snake print leggings. I just love them. I think those are so freaking cool. So I love the way that they fit, like, you know. And now I'm going to be headed to the gym. So I just got back from the gym and I all showered, and I did not wash my hair. I just like put it in this ponytail. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with it today, but I also had my first deli sandwich on a roll, which I feel like is a very classic thing, and Keon has always told me about that. He's like, you have to get a bacon, egg, and cheese or bacon, egg, avocado on a roll, and I'm like, what is a roll? Because I don't know, in the South, like that's just not a thing for a sandwich. So I got the first one today and it was really, really good. But right now I am going to go grocery shopping, so I'm dragging Samara along with me to do all of my errands with me, but it's okay. And I'm wearing the most comfy casual outfit. I'm obsessed with this outfit. I think it is so cute, and it is a little cold outside, so I will be putting on a sweatshirt before we leave, but I'll show you guys. So I'm just obsessed with these sweatpants. I think they're so cute. These are also from Pink, obviously, and I just love it because I'm trying to be comfy casual today. Like that's the goal, is just to be like as casual but yet still cute. So I love like accessorizing sweatpants with like this silver jewelry with hoops with like a light low ponytail. I don't know, I think it just makes it look a lot more chic and like put together. So these joggers are from Pink and they're just plain gray, but they are so comfortable and cute, and I really love them. But it is a little cold outside, so I'm gonna wear this sweatshirt with it, and Samara actually has the same one, so I think we are going to be matching. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this on and then head to the grocery store. So this is just like 1000% me, like these like big sunglasses, silver hoops, the sweatshirt. I like that it's like a little boxy, like it's not like a big sweatshirt. It's pretty like not cropped, but like just a little boxy, has a string to like tie it. And then these sweatpants, both of these are from Pink. I literally feel so comfortable, but also I think it looks good, and I'm trying to have like cooler street style, like still stuff that I can wear like lounging around and doing work, but just looking a bit more put together. So that's why I accessorize. Let's go. I'm gonna, what time is it? It's only 10:18, you guys. We are good on time, so let's go to Trader Joe's. We just got back from Trader Joe's. I'm so out of breath and so tired, and I think my legs actually hate me because we walked back and then I live 5 floors up, so thank you for helping me. We're both just very winded. So I'm gonna take all this stuff out and then show you guys what I got. I spent like $100, so kind of a lot for Trader Joe's, but honestly I got so much stuff, so I'm excited to show you guys. Whew, let me catch my breath. Here's an overview of like half of the stuff. I still have some stuff left. I got black beans because I make everything with beans, ground turkey, edamame, salami, frozen broccoli, the mango slices, dried mango. I got feta cheese because I really want to make this like Greek salad. This, if you guys have not tried, is so good. It's this vegetable and soba noodle stir fry kit. It is amazing. I've had this is probably like my 4th time getting it, but it's just like such a good Asian noodle dish, and it's so easy to make. Quinoa, raspberries, matcha, and okay, I've never tried lox before. I don't even know if I really like salmon that much. I've had bites from other people, but Samara told me to get this, so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it with her because I don't know how to eat this. Like, I don't know what to eat this with or
how do
on.
I cook it? It's already cooked.
I know, I was like, what do I do with this? So yeah, I'm gonna try that one morning probably. I also got this everything but the bagel yogurt dip, and I don't know what I'm gonna eat this with, but it just looks so good. And I'm part of this like Facebook page for Trader Joe's food, which I know sounds really funny, but it's such a great decision if you guys want grocery recommendations. But they all swear by this, so I'm gonna try this, maybe like put it on some bread. Spinach, yeah, I got baby spinach, 2 avocados, these little Persian cucumbers, minced garlic powder, and then I'm so excited to try this chili spice mango. Whenever I've been to Mexico, me and my mom always get like all of our fruit with chili on it, so I'm really excited to try this chili spiced mango because it's probably really good. Or like those stands in LA that have like fresh fruit and then they put chili all over it. Oh, so yummy. And then I got some salsa. So now I have a few other things here, like my mineral water, some more like beans, chickpeas, pickles, rice. Oh, and I got this, which I'm gonna try making my own pumpkin spice latte with it. I'm gonna make my coffee in the Nespresso, put a tiny bit of this in the milk frother, and then like the rest with like normal milk or oat milk, and try to see how it tastes. And I feel like I'll make my own pumpkin spice latte. And an onion, string cheese, got some butternut squash macaroni, and yeah, that's it. So now we're gonna put it away. I am currently at Think Coffee right now. It's like right by NYU, and like everyone here Think is an NYU student. It's a huge coffee shop, so if you're ever looking for a place to do some work. So I just got here and I'm just gonna get a lot of work done because I am so behind. There's actually seating. I think it's because it's a Friday, so probably all the students are like not studying and doing homework. I'm just about to do a bunch of work and catch up on my life and upload a video and just answer my emails that I've been avoiding, and yeah, hopefully I'll be here for a few hours, and then I'm not sure what else we're gonna do tonight. We just left the coffee shop. It was very productive. We got like 2.5 hours of work done. Samara applied for jobs. I edited and finished a video. And now we're headed back. I think we're gonna go make lunch at my apartment since we just bought all those groceries. Maybe we should do like the soba noodles. Yeah, I feel like that's gonna be good. So we're just headed back to make some lunch, and then probably just head out for the rest of the day and see more of the city. And maybe we'll meet up with some of her friends. I don't know, we'll see. I just made this. Actually, really, Samara just made this. She sauteed it all up. She whipped it up. But it's the soba noodles that I got from Trader Joe's, and it comes with just a bunch of veggies to stir fry, and then this yummy sauce. And it's so good. So we're just eating lunch right now. And it's literally so good. You guys need to pick this up if you go to Trader Joe's. We all got pasta bolognese. It looks so good in this tiny little shoebox. It's so cute. Yeah, but we just got this. Your story? Last time we came here, they overcharged Pranea, and she's still not over it. $25 extra. Yeah, you need to get that money back. All right, let's eat it. Hello everyone, it is the next day, and I am going to use the second half of the vlog as a getting my life together vlog. So I am going to clean the entire apartment because it is a little messy. I'll do a little walkthrough for you guys. So the bathroom is actually fine. I have to unload, or actually load, the dishwasher. These are still dirty, and run it because there's some stuff in the sink, and then just putting stuff away. And then Samara is still here, so this is the pull-out couch if you guys wanted to see it. So I'm just gonna try to like organize everything, like put all that away, just vacuum the floors. That's all of her stuff, so it's not really like a mess. Clean the table. I got a package, so I need to put this away. And then my room over here is just like a little messy. Yikes. Yeah, so I have to clean that. And here I am. This is probably like my favorite thing that I own right now. It is so soft. It's this sweater from Pink. You guys should definitely check it out. I'll have it down below. But this is like the most perfect casual getting my life together type of day outfit. So I'll probably head out and also do some work afterwards, but I'm just going to play some music right now, clean up my apartment. I'm so excited. But yeah, this sweater I think is so cute. It's like really, really casual, but also really cute. Like you can wear it out, or you can just wear it like around lounging, or if you're doing work at a coffee shop, like it's still casual but really, really soft. And you can find it at Pink. Same with these sweats. These are the same ones from yesterday. They're so comfy. I'm like not taking them off. But yeah, so let's just clean my apartment. I feel like you guys like cleaning montages and stuff like that, and I like watching them. For some reason, I find them very soothing and relaxing. So let's go. I have just been chilling right now in bed doing a bunch of random kind of office work. Like I was doing my budget and I'm not very happy with it, so and then I also paid my taxes, just a bunch of stuff that I had to do, and I'm not very excited. All this boring work, but it's okay, it's part of life. And yeah, this month and last month, it's just been a lot, because like on my credit card statement this month, it's like all my furniture, it's all the application fees, it's all of the moving costs that I had. And like when I first moved here, I didn't have groceries for like a week, so I just ate out a lot, you know. It's just all of that stuff is on this credit card statement. So I'm like so yeah, that's why it's kind of sad inside, but it's okay because it's part of life. And I knew what I was spending my money on. Just seeing it kind of all in one big number, you're like, oh. Anyways, I wanted to thank Pink for sponsoring today's video. I had so much fun filming this video, and I also am literally living, like, I still have the sweatpants on. I'm living in the clothing that they sent me, and I'm obsessed. Like, this sweater I think is just so freaking cute. So thank you so much to Pink for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys are looking for anything to wear that's like cute and casual, that you can wear to class, that you can wear studying, that you can wear just on the go, I'm gonna have them linked down below so that you guys can check it out yourself. But I'm really happy to be working with them, and they are a company that I have really, really loved for so many years, probably since middle school. It's one of those like classic staple companies that I have just like always drifted towards again. I mean, I literally own one bra now. I got rid of all my bras and I own one, and it's from Pink. So, you know, like, it's a company that has been a staple in my wardrobe from head to toe for years, and I'm really grateful to have worked with them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna be doing basically pretty much nothing the rest of the day and just lounging. So I will talk to you guys later. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video.